How to factory reset iPad without Apple ID password. This guide will share a few tips on how to factory reset iPad without Apple ID password. How to factory reset iPad without Apple ID password in few clicks. Connect your iPad to the computer. And make sure the iTunes is installed on the computer. Go to download and install iSunshare iPhone Passcode Genius on your PC. Then launch the software. Select Remove Apple ID option. Read the notes and click Start to continue. If FMI is turned off on iPad, the software will start the Apple ID removal process immediately. If Find My iPhone is on, please read the instruction on the screen. How to factory reset iPad without Apple ID via iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPad to the computer. Open iTunes. Click the iPad icons. It will ask you whether you want to update or restore. Click on the Restore iPad button. Click the Restore button to continue. Then iTunes will download and install the latest iPadOS software. And restore your device to factory settings. How to reset iPad without an Apple ID password. No computer. You can reset iPad from Settings without entering Apple ID password and no computer, but this requires that your iPad is active and its Find My is turned off. Open Settings app. Tap on General. Tap on Reset. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Click on Erase. Tap on Erase again to confirm. The system will start the factory reset process immediately. That's all there is to today's topic. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you succeed in one of the methods. If you like the tutorials on our channel, please subscribe to us.